So the Postgraduate Certificate in Creative and Cultural Entrepreneurship is a Level 9 qualification delivered by Tangent, Trinity's Ideas Workspace, generously funded under the HEA Springboard Plus initiative. We see interest from artists, filmmakers, graphic designers, you name it. Across the creative and cultural sectors, we see participation, and it's that really brings a really unique learning experience combined with the facilitation, combined with the curriculum. It creates quite a unique learning environment. So if you're interested in a course like this, there are numerous benefits. For starters, you get to meet people within your sector, you get to build a network. There's a huge amount of peer learning that happens when people with complementary skills come together. So we've got excellent facilitation, lecturers, industry members. We've also got creative entrepreneurs. So you benefit from all of that knowledge, but you also benefit from being part of a group that lasts well beyond the program.
My name is Sharon Ramsey. My company is Grassroots Design. It's a textile handmade product business. So I have the creative background, and I wanted to do this course to try and kind of give me a bit of a business upskill. I've learned lots about writing a value proposition canvas, a lean business model, all those things that kind of help to consolidate your thinking around your business. And I would definitely recommend the course. I would say keep an open mind, because you don't know where this course is going to bring you, and there's lots of people from different backgrounds as well.
My name is Vaida Rashchuta. I have a kidswear brand at the moment, which is sold wholesale in many countries in the world. I'm also a creative director, so I just thought that it will give me more insight into the industry and actually network too. After this course, I do feel that I have changed, and it is because of the people I met, information I got, and things I have applied into my personal life and my business. I am kind of empowered because I know that I can reach even bigger goals, and I would definitely recommend this course.
If you're employed in or have a business in the field of creativity and you want to grow that business or take the leap to develop a new startup, this is the course for you. Email us at springboard@tcd.ie, or you can phone us at 086 032 0487, or you can visit us at the Tangent website.